हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट राजा राव। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है राजा राव। राजा राव born November 8, 1908, Hassan, Mysore, now Karnataka. India died July 8, 2006, Austin, Texas, US. Author who was among the most significant Indian novelists writing in English during the middle decades of the 20th century. Raja Rao was the eldest of 9 siblings. ये ब्राह्मण फैमिली के कहे जाते हैं। इनके 9 सिबलिंग्स से भाई बहन विथ 7 सिस्टर्स एंड अ ब्रदर नेम योगेश्वर आनंद। इनके 7 सिस्टर थे और इनके जो ब्रदर का नाम है वो योगेश्वर आनंद था। हिज फादर H.V. Krishnaswamy taught Kannada, the native language of Karnataka, at Nizam College in Hyderabad. His mother Gauramma was a homemaker who died when Raja Rao was 4 years old. Raja Rao's reputation as a novelist of metaphysics and philosophy is amply justified by his substantial contribution in upholding these themes in his novels. Women in Raja Rao's novels are shown suffering from domestic injustice and tyrannical tradition, but the novelist does not suggest any way out of their dilemma. His women characters, who are a little ambitious and playing the role of a devoted wife like a Savitri in The Serpent and the Rape 1960, Indian culture being rooted into his consciousness fails him to suggest any solution to the besetting women's issues. He makes an analysis of modern India from a different perspective and exalts Hindu orthodoxy to a grand metaphysic. The death of his mother when he was 4 left a lasting impression on the novelist. The absence of a mother and orphanhood are a recurring themes in his work. Another influence from early life was his grandfather, with whom he lived in Hassan and Harihalli or Harohalli. Rao was educated at a Muslim school, the Madras earlier in Hyderabad. After matriculation in 1927, he studied for his degree at Nizam's College at Osmania's universities, where he became friends with Ahmad Ali. He began learning French after graduating from the University of Madras. Having majored in English and history, he won the Asiatic Scholarship of the Government of Hyderabad in 1929 for studying abroad. His novel The Serpent and the Rope abounds with various themes. It tells the story of an intellectual Ram who is in quest of personal enlightenment and seeks inspirations and elevation from Eastern and Western views. Raja Rao's later works includes The Cat and the Shakespeare and Comrade Kilro Kanthapura, while Raja Rao shows the influence of Gandhian movement by highlighting the 1920s and the Gandhi impact of 1931. He focuses a small village through which he explores the impact of freedom movement on the village and also captures their roles in the struggle for independence. Raja Rao used his novel to spread his Gandhian message and its propaganda against social evils. Rao moved to the University of Montpellier in France. He studied French language and literature, and later at the Sorbonne in Paris, he explored the Indian influence on Irish literature. He married Camille Molly, who taught French at Montpellier. in 1931. The marriage lasted until 1939. Later, he depicted the breakdown of their marriage in The Serpent and the Rope. Rao published his first stories in French and English. During 1931-32, he contributed 4 articles written in Canada for Jakarnataka, an influential journal. Indian novelist. Returning to India in 1939, he edited Changing India with Iqbal Singh, an anthology of modern Indian thought from Ram Mohan Rai to Jawaharlal Nehru. He participated in the Quit India movement of 1942. In 1943-1944, he co-edited a journal from Bombay called Tomorrow with Ahmad Ali. He was a prime mover in the formation of cultural organization Sri Vidya Samiti, devoted to reviving the values of ancient Indian civilization. The Raja Rao Award for Literature was created in Rao's honor and with his permission in the year 2000. It was established to recognize writers and scholars who have made an outstanding contribution to the literature and culture of the South Asian diaspora. The award was administered by the Samved Indian Foundation, a non-profit charitable trust named for the Sanskrit word for dialogue, which was established by Makrand Paranjep of Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi. To bestow the award and to promote education and cultural contributions to India and the South Asian diaspora, no cash prize was attached to the award during its existence. The award was bestowed 7 times between 2000 and 2009. In the complex pantheon of diversities, the Indian woman remains the point of unity, unveiling through each single experience a collective unconscious prized by the society that is looked in moral combat with the power and weakness of age and time. She remains the still center like the center, the potter's wheel, circling to create new forms, unfolding continuity of a racial life, which in turn has encircled and helped her acquire a quality of concentration. The inaugural recipient of the awards was K.S. Maniam of Malaysia, who was bestowed the award in 2000. Other recipients were Yasmin Gondret of Sri Lanka, Edwin Thambu of Singapore, Harshvi Daheja of Canada, David Davidin of Guyana, Varadaraj Y. Raman of the United States, and Vijay Mishra of Fiji. Meenakshi Mukherjee, chair of last awarding jury, died in 2009, and the award was discontinued that same year and has not since been bestowed. Mulk Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Raja Rao were the 3 important Indian novelists writing in English. Speaking of the big 3 was Shakespeare. It is these 3 writers who defined the area in which the Indian novel was to operate. They established its assumptions, they sketched its main themes, freed the first models of its characters, and elaborated its particular logic. Each of them used an easy, natural idiom which was unaffected by the opacity of a British inheritance. Their language has been freed of the foggy taste of Britain and transferred to a wholly new setting of brutal heat and violent tide. The sudden split of creative writing in the 80s expressed the sense of awareness of the plurality of the nation. Women novelists have played a crucial and momentous role in enhancing the quality and quantity of the Indian English fiction. They have further added the women's perspective and feministic dimensions to the novels. In the past, the work by the Indian women authors has always been undervalued because of some Patriarchal Egyptians, Indian societies gave priority to the work of male experiences in those days. Women used to write about a woman's perceptions and experiences within the enclosed domestic area. On the other hand, male authors used to deal with heavy themes. It was assumed that their work would get more priority and acceptance in the society during the 18th century. These factors led towards the decline further in the 18th 19th century. More and more British rule. It again led to the women's literature at that time. Their write-ups mainly concentrated on the country's freedom struggle. Over the years, the world of feminist ideology began to influence the English literature of India. Rao's allegorical novel The Cat and Shakespeare, A Tale of India 1965, set in India, continues the themes examined in The Serpent and the Rope and shows Rao's work becoming increasingly abstract. Connected stories appear in On the Ganga Ghat 1989 में लिखा है राउस non-fiction includes The Meaning of India 1996, a collection of essays and speeches, and The Great Indian Way 1998, a biography of Mohandas Gandhi. Rao received several of India's highest honors, the Padma Bhushan in 1969, a fellowship in the Sahitya Academy, India's National Academy of Letters in 1997, and the Padma Vibhushan Award posthumously in 2007. He also won the Newstead Prize in 1988. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.